Yes, the herd is back. Let's get right into it.
Welcome to the Heard Vanlife. I'm LaRue, aka Guru, aka Mr. You Live in That. Special thanks to my subscribers. I really appreciate the support. It's been dope. I have to extend the toilet giveaway. I will put a winner in a future video soon. So if you haven't already, go back and watch upgrades and giveaways and find out how you can win that toilet. Now, whether you're a weekender or a full-timer like myself, we all have our reasons for taking these journeys. For me, it's because I'm a futuristic minimalist determined to take over the world with the power of a quill I stole from a hedgehog. Just kidding. I represent a new form of balance. What really drives me is the way I plan to showcase and combine tech, knowledge, and nature. It truly feels epic and above all helpful. This isn't a review channel, it'll be a do channel, and I plan to blow y'all minds. For now, take a peek at the vessel that makes it all possible. My version of a conversion.